To prepare for toilet repairs, manually remove all water from the bowl so you have a dry workspace and clear visibility. Start by turning off the water supply at the shutoff valve behind the toilet and flush once to drain as much as possible. If the tank refills slightly, hold down the flapper or lift the float to stop refilling while you work. Use a sturdy disposable cup or a small plastic container to scoop out the bulk of the water into a bucket, working quickly and angling the cup to avoid splashing. After scooping, press a thick absorbent sponge firmly against the bowl surface to soak up residual water, wringing it into the bucket until the sponge no longer releases moisture. For tight spots and the trap, employ a large disposable syringe or turkey baster to extract remaining water from the curved outlet. Insert the tip and pull repeatedly until only a thin film remains. If you need the bowl bone dry for glue or sealant, follow with a few passes of clean paper towels or a lint-free cloth to remove the final film and pat the surface completely dry. Keep a small hand towel under the shutoff valve and the base of the toilet to catch drips, and ventilate the room if you used chemical cleaners beforehand to avoid fumes while you work. Common mistakes include leaving the water supply on and causing the tank to refill, which wastes time and creates a hazard. So always confirm the shutoff is closed and hold the flapper if needed. Another issue is relying only on scooping, which misses water in the trap. Use a syringe or turkey baster to reach that bend and finish with an absorbent sponge to avoid hidden moisture. A final concern is contaminating tools and towels by setting them on the floor. Keep a dedicated bucket and cloths just for the job and launder or dispose of them after the repair to prevent spreading bacteria. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and contact options tailored to your area. We also host a community discussion forum where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common home repair challenges together.